Well, it is time to move on from my camp here at Lake Meredith in Sanford, Texas. This has been an amazing spot. Really nice campground. I can't believe it's free with the hot showers and all that. Just awesome. Really enjoyed my stay here, although the first 2 days were incredibly windy. I was pretty much cooped up in the van for those 2 days. Yesterday was just beautiful, calm, peaceful, blue skies, just amazing. Really enjoyed it. Wish I could stay a little longer, but I do need to continue to the northeast. So I'm going to do a full day of driving today, try to find another Lakeside camp in Oklahoma. So the adventure continues. Goodbye, Lake Meredith. Had a nice stay, thank you. It's really nice that they added those pull-through concrete pads there. It'd be really hard to believe that they would offer those for free, but it's possible. I've seen it before. Doesn't look like they have sewer, but they have water and electric. And there is a RV sewer dump on the way in here. So yeah, if you got a big Class A, those are some prime spots overlooking the lake. There's quite a few spots here you can see all along this rim here as well. All nice lake view. Of course, you can't pull a vehicle into those, so I assume you just pull off to the side of the road and pitch a tent for those spots. Sanford, population 164. I'd call that a small town. This would be downtown Sanford. Maxine's little market there. They do have a post office. Passing that right here. See you, Sanford, Texas. I had a nice stay, thank you. Hope everyone's okay from the wildfires you had the other day. All right, away we go. There we are, coming into Oklahoma. Hello, Oklahoma. Goodbye, Texas. Here we are, Elk Lake. Oh, wow. It's been, geez, has it been 3 years since I've been here? Lots gone on in those last few years. Seems to be a lot less trees on the shoreline. I remember there being a lot more trees. Oh, and there's the dome where all the swallows were nesting. Looks like they're still there. I see them swarming around. Huh, I hope they still allow camping. Oh, I see an RV over here. Yep, looking good. I might not even get a spot. Look at that, it looks full up. Yeah, there's only like 4 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and they're all taken. Oh well, just gonna park in one of the normal parking spots. Yeah, we'll just pull right here. Hopefully I can get away with camping here. They might regulate it. You might have to be in one of those spots. We'll see. Well, this is our spot on Elk City Lake here in Elk City, Oklahoma. Just parked here alongside the grassy area. Probably gonna spend the night here. Actually, I know I am. I'm just kind of tired of driving already today. So I'm gonna get some video editing done, rest up for tomorrow. It's gonna be a long day of driving. It's nice, it's windy though. I was expecting that. All right, for lunch today we're doing chicken tacos. We got some corn tortillas with some refried beans, some chicken, tomato, onion, cilantro. Looking good. Well, we're gonna walk over to this Amphitheater Dome. I remember checking this out last time I was here. There is just a phenomenal amount of swallows that are nested in here. Let's go check it out. You can see them swarming. I think I've already kind of disturbed them, so I don't want to stress them out. I'm just going to take a quick peek. Whoa. That's a lot of birds. Well, we're getting up with the sun this morning. Very beautiful sunrise. Waking up right here at the lake. This spot went okay, even though technically I wasn't in a actual camp spot. A couple more big RVs pulled in and just did the same thing. We just kind of pulled along the side of the grass here. Went okay. It's actually warm yesterday. I got up to the mid 80s, only got down to the low 50s at night. So very comfortable. I'm going to try to get an early start on the road this morning. So I'm just getting some coffee going, do a quick breakfast and get moving. Oh yeah, that'll get me going. Well, it's time to move on this morning. Gonna try to get some miles behind me today. It's nice to wake up to this though. Glad I decided to stay here overnight. The winds died down overnight, so it was nice and peaceful this morning. The sounds of the birds singing. All right, let's do this. The adventure continues. Coming into Arkansas. Goodbye, Oklahoma. Hello, Arkansas. The natural state. Love that. Yeah. This is the best part of being off the interstate right here. You get to see what the country's really like. This is awesome. Oh, this is a nice change from those long straight stretches from Texas through Oklahoma. Now there's a lot of beautiful places in Oklahoma that I got a chance to explore last year. Some really nice spots, but I am pressed for time because of my next seasonal job. So I'll have to come back and visit again. Okay, I think this is our pull-off here. Let's see, it looks like it's a drop box for payment. Get out and read the info here. Looks like it's $10 a night. Let's go see what they got for sites. Oh, this is nice, right on the lake. Looks like they got little pull-in spots with some flat pads there for pitching a tent. See if we can find one that's kind of level. Nice little campground right here in the trees. Guess I'll take the big loop here and then probably take one of those spots I passed back there. Oh, I think I'm gonna do this number 11 right here. I'll take it, site number 11. I'll walk up and drop my envelope off. Looks like checkout time is 11 a.m. in the morning. Beautiful. Well, we'll give you a shot of the campsite I picked here. Very nice, right next to the lake here. We got a nice breeze blowing through here. It's able to get fairly level here. They're not really like level spots, but I kind of came in sideways here. So I got the doors right towards the lake. Very cool. It looks like there is a restroom facility right up behind me here. So that'll work. I am going to kick off my boots and relax for a minute. Walk up and drop off my payment. Cool spot. There's actually a pretty good breeze going. I'm going to go ahead and call that windy rather than a breeze. Thanks for watching, everyone. I appreciate you coming along for the ride as we make our journey up to the Northeast. Hope everyone is doing well out there, and we'll see you very soon in the next video. Take care. Peace.